you are able, would you please stand for the processional?
Make it. Not raining today. Good quality rain. Yesterday was rough. Congratulations.
only you know all that these graduates have come through to get to this moment. Only you know the full weight of all that has burdened them, all that has worked against them, all that has distracted and sidetracked them as they march forward, day by day, hour by hour, minute by minute, to this moment of commencement. The class of 2021 will go down in history as those uniquely qualified to succeed in the midst of pandemics and life's unexpected trials. So help us, Holy God, give them the honor they are due. Help us wave the flag of triumph and blow the bagpipes of holy joy. Bless these graduates in their accomplishments. Honor them in their future. Keep them and their futures secure. And as they leave these hallowed halls of academia, may these, our graduates, go in peace, holding on to what is good, ready to support the weak and help the suffering, ready to honor all people, ready to love and lead with moral courage, ready to risk everything for the good thing. And finally, O God, bless these graduates and keep them. Be kind and gracious to them. May you look upon them with favor, bringing them and us all to a place of peace. Amen.
See, liberal arts education is all about problem solving. You may be seated.
Yeah.
I must say, this is one of the most beautiful sights I have seen in quite some time. This is what it's about. So thank you, Reverend Ott, for your invocation, and thanks also to the Monmouth Chorale for that beautiful rendition of our alma mater. Good afternoon to all of you on this day of celebration. We are delighted that you can be with us as we participate in the 164th commencement exercises of Monmouth College. I would like to introduce our special platform guests. Dean of the Chapel, the Reverend Dr. Terry McDowell Ott. Mr. Joe Donor, the Lincoln Laureate of the class of 2021. Ms. Christy Hippen, the Registrar of the College, and Dr. Mark Wilhart, Vice President for Academic Affairs and Dean of the Faculty. I now want to recognize several individuals and groups who have played an essential role in making today's celebration possible. The support and service of these individuals is noteworthy under any circumstances, but in the face of the challenges wrought by the pandemic, their contributions to the life of the college are indeed extraordinary. First, I want to thank the members of the college's Board of Trustees. These dedicated people, many of them alumni of the college, provide critical leadership for this institution. I hope that some of today's graduates have service as a trustee of Monmouth College among their ambitions. I want to recognize at least two trustees who I know are with us today. First, Mr. Ralph Whiteman, who I think is somewhere back there, who is a trustee emeritus of the college. Ralph, if you can wave wherever you are. There you are, Ralph. And on the platform, Dr. Gene Whitty, who has, in addition to being a trustee, has an extra special reason to be here today. I would also like to recognize the members of our College Alumni Association Board of Directors. These individuals serve the college in many ways, encouraging prospective students, providing internships and other career opportunities to current students and other alumni, making and inspiring financial contributions, and serving as a great source of ideas and a sounding board for initiatives at the college. I extend warm greetings and deep appreciation to Monmouth College's faculty and staff. At Monmouth, no matter what other titles we may have, we are all educators, committed to the guided growth of young people. Through their dedication and passion, most especially over these last months, these people have helped our students to free all of the possibilities inherent in them. And as I am thanking our faculty and staff, I want to express special appreciation to those whose work makes this commencement weekend so special. Our faculty marshals, Professors Marjorie Bond, Stacy Lotes, Tom Sargent, and Wendy Boland. Our facility staff, led by Ms. Sarah Young. Associate Vice President for Student Life, Karen Ogerzalik, and Director of Campus Events, Ryan Doyle, who coordinates all of the weekend celebrations so well. I also want to thank and recognize my wife, Lobie Stone, for all that she does on behalf of the college and its students, and especially all that she does for me. Lobie is sorry that she cannot be with us today, for she is in Texas caring for our daughter who was injured several months ago. She sends her congratulations and her love. Next, a special welcome to the very important people for whom today represents the culmination of years of dedication, study, hard work, and the beginning of new and exciting chapters in their sagas. Members of the class of 2021, you have persevered and triumphed in the face of great challenge. We thank you and we congratulate you. Finally, a warm welcome to the mothers and fathers, husbands and wives, sisters, brothers, sons and daughters, grandparents, aunts, uncles, and friends of our 2021 graduates, who today celebrate this special event with them and with all of us. We welcome all of you, and we thank you for being here to celebrate the achievements and having contributed to the achievements of the class of 2021. I now have the honor of announcing this year's faculty promotions, which were recently approved by the Monmouth College Board of Trustees. Stephanie Baugh, Department of Art, is granted a tenured position and promoted from assistant to associate professor. Stephanie. Vanessa Campagna, Department of Theater, is granted a tenured position and is promoted from assistant to associate professor. Michael Nelson, Department of Political Science, is granted a tenured position and promoted from assistant to associate professor. Michael Prinsell, Department of Chemistry, is granted a tenured position and is promoted from assistant to associate professor. Tim Pale, Department of Music, is promoted from associate professor to full professor. And Bradley Sturgeon, Department of Chemistry, is promoted from associate professor to full professor. Two of the highest honors that a Monmouth College faculty member can receive are the Hatch Award for Excellence in Service and the Hatch Award for Distinguished Scholarship. Established by W. Jerome Hatch, Monmouth class of 1957, these awards recognize exceptional work and service by our faculty. I am proud to announce that this year's recipient of the Hatch Award for Excellence in Service is Professor of Biology Tim Tibbetts. And I am equally proud to announce that this year's recipients of the Hatch Award for Distinguished Scholarship are Assistant Professor of Modern Languages, Literatures, and Cultures, Francisco Angeles, and Assistant Professor of Art, Janice Wunderlich. The thread that runs true through the history of Monmouth College is our dedicated faculty and staff. This year we celebrate the service of 4 outstanding members of our faculty. Carolyn Suda, lecturer in music, will retire this August after 35 years of service. Professor of Political Science Farhad Haq is retiring after 34 years of service. Professor of Biology Kenneth Kramer is retiring after serving the college for 28 years. And Professor of Sociology Judy Kessler is retiring after 20 years of service. During that time, and still, these faculty members have embodied the best of Monmouth College. So graduates, in lieu of the traditional class photo that's normally taken before the commencement ceremony, we're going to do something a little different right now. You're going to have your picture taken by drone. So if this is the way that it's supposed to work, let me ask each of you to stand up and turn toward Broadway, turn facing toward Broadway. And the drone is supposed to be flying up, is it? It is. Okay, excellent. Okay, there you go. So we're going to do 2 photos. One a little more serious, smiling of course, but a little more serious. I think you can pull down your mask for this. Yes, 20 years from now you don't want to see yourself with a mask. So hold the pose for a little bit, and I will count down from 3. Are we ready for me to do the countdown? Are we ready? Okay. 3, 2, 1. Okay. Okay, now for the next one. You can have a little more fun with this. Remember, your families are here. A little more fun with this. So, ready to do the countdown again? Okay. 3, 2, 1.
Can I get a roll, Scott?
All right, are we good? Beautiful, everybody, beautiful. I am now pleased to call to the podium our student laureate from the Lincoln Academy of Illinois, Mr. Joe Doner. Guy's got all this stuff around him. He wants to take over the podium. Unique among the 50 states, the Academy was established to honor Illinois' most distinguished citizens with the state's highest award, the Order of Lincoln. Each year, an outstanding senior who exhibits overall excellence in curricular and extracurricular programs is selected from each of the 4-year degree-granting institutions of higher learning in Illinois. Joe Doner has indeed exhibited such excellence as a leader in all aspects of campus life and as an example of character, compassion, and courage. I now invite Mr. Joe Doner to deliver the commencement address.
Sic transit gloria Monmouth. Thus passes the glory of Monmouth College. All of us here have worked hard and given much to make it to where we are today, and we have earned our positions here today, and we have earned our caps by the sweat of our own brows. We are the crown jewel of Monmouth. We are the pride and joy of our parents and our families, and we are the glory of this college. But now it is time for us to leave our roles here and walk out onto the stage of life so that we may strut and fret a little while. Will we look back on our college life with sighs on our lips? Will we turn back and let Eurydice slip away from us? No. There is no such thing as a perfect rose-colored college life, and such regrets are nothing but a betrayal of the self. We had to do the things we had to do, and we made the decisions that we had to make to get it to where we are today. Each and every one of us have faced 1,000 challenges over the last years that we've been here. We've faced lost ID cards, we've faced failed tests, we've failed classes, we've faced Zoom classes that we thought would never end. We've had to take our food from the caf and eat it in really weird places. We've faced all these challenges and we've overcome all of these obstacles, and thanks to that, we have grown in competence and experience. And as we have grown in our competence and experience, so has this college. Many of us are leaving dear friends and acquaintances behind us, and if we have been good friends to them, then we have taught them what we have learned, and they will not have to face the same challenges or make the same mistakes that we did. Thereby, they will have a new experience. They will learn more and add even more to the college themselves. It is these acts of sharing our wisdom and our experiences, of trying to make a greater community for ourselves and for our friends, that ensures that the glory of Monmouth will pass like a torch from hand to hand and class to class in the future. Abraham Lincoln said, "Let us hope that by the best cultivation of the physical world beneath and around us, and the intellectual and moral world within us, that we shall secure an individual, social, and political prosperity and happiness, whose course shall be onward and upward, and which, while the earth endures, shall not pass away." Cultivating ourselves and passing the torch. It is in this way that we ensure that we grow in glory. Not only out in the world when we make our own lives, but here as well. Every time our advice is shared, our experience learned from, our memories honored, our honor, our glory here will grow. Though it is important to remember that we students have been far from the only ones who have contributed. We must give great thanks to each Monmouth parent and employee that has ever touched our lives or contributed to get us to where we are today. I certainly know that I would not be standing here today were it not for the love, patience, and support that my parents gave me. The professors and administrators of Monmouth College also deserve our special thanks for continually fighting the Sisyphean fight of making sure that college students overcome the same mistakes and problems that college students must always face. We graduates, however, who no longer have to concern ourselves with the labors of Monmouth College, now face entirely new challenges. We are entering a world in crisis, and though the slow ebbing of the pandemic gives us great hope, it still feels as though we are being told to go into the breach and throw ourselves against the wall to either succeed in glory or be forced to repeat the process. We also have to face the challenges and evils of alienation and the rat race. We are going into a world where every minute of our lives is asked for and asked to be bought and paid for and capitalized upon. We must fight this. We must fight against it because we are Monmouth College students. We are not rats. We do not belong in a rat race. We must always demand that we are given what we are owed and what we are worked for. We must always give the same respect to those around us. We must make the choices that we want to make, and we must never let a choice pass from our own hands simply because we cannot do it, or we think we must not do it. It is in these choices that we find salvation and comfort in a harsh world, these choices to care for other people. We have made these choices here to care for our peers, our upperclassmen, our underclassmen, our friends, and others have made the choice to care for us. All of these choices have been essential to our lives, and all of these people have had a hand in who we are now and who we will be in the future. I am honored to have been able to speak to you all today. Your examples of perseverance have pushed me to persevere. The courage I have observed in you has increased my own courage, and your dedication to success will forever be an inspiration for me to further pursue success. I look forward to walking into the blazing sunlight of our futures together. And on a final note, to each and every person who has helped me thrive the last 4 years and has made it possible for me to stand here today, I want to say that my mother thanks you, my father thanks you, my grandparents thank you, and I thank you. Godspeed to you all, and congratulations to us, the class of 2021.
For 164 years, Monmouth College has followed the tradition of using Latin to confer the baccalaureate degree. We invite you to follow the English translation printed in the commencement program as we begin the presentation and conferral of degrees for the Monmouth College class of 2021. Will the candidates for the degrees Bachelor of Arts and Bachelor of Science please rise? Tibi praesidi collegii Monmouthiensis hos Uinus et gradum artium baccalaureae et baccalaureae scientiae admittantur orfero.
In nomine Dei, Amen. Auctoritate nobis a Republici Illinoiensi commissa et consuetudine vetere nos professores collegii Monmouthiensis los ad gratiam artium baccalaureae et baccalaureae scientiae admittimus.
This is the 2021 graduating class at Monmouth College. Congratulations. You may now move the tassels from the left, right to the left. At this time, we invite the graduates to come forward as their names are called to be awarded their diplomas. I ask that the audience hold applause until all students receive those diplomas. Alvaro Alvarez Carrasco, cum laude. Mamie Elizabeth Nelson Ambrosch, summa cum laude. Tucker Carey Anderson. Kenzie Marie Arlt, summa cum laude. Leslie Bahena Montoya. Mackenzie Rayanne Baker. Jordan Thomas Ball. Savannah Taylor Ball, summa cum laude. Jack Douglas Barnett. Austin Michael Berry. Morgan Leah Bemis. Terrence Best Jr. Madeline Jane Bird. Taylor Bloomgren. Preston James Bokey. Tragic. Abigail Marie Borscheid. Jacob Brewer, cum laude. Taylor Nicole Brule Stock. Angela Capasso, magna cum laude. Ciclali Cardonia. Leslie Cervantes. Aspen Bailey Chatterton. Victoria Chaffee, magna cum laude. Naomi Odessa Charles. Amelia Chavez. Kennedy S. Chenault. Dylan Chero. Taylor Renee Kaufman, magna cum laude. Alicia Anaya Collins. Na Komle Komi. Riley Christine Cook, magna cum laude. Alec Graves Cooley. Avery Christine Coppas. Megan Cornels. Declan A. Krigo. Brock Crippen, magna cum laude. Seth Wyatt Crosslow, summa cum laude. Erica Lisette Cruz, cum laude. Adam Michael Curry, cum laude. Alexander Cutright. Megan Davis, summa cum laude. Sean M. Davis. Trevor William Davis. Ryan Alexander Dawson, cum laude. Dominic Giuliano DeCello. Hannah Rose Decker. Connor Reese DeVilder. Joseph Cohen Bote Donor. Catherine Elizabeth Drost. Tyler Nash Dugan. Carly Elizabeth Dunham, magna cum laude. Jordan Brennan Jean Eason. Brittany Nicole Enos. Alexis Brooke Enright, cum laude. Logan William Evans, magna cum laude. Richard W. Iyer. Reed Emerson Flieger. Kelani Floyd. Seth T. Foster, summa cum laude. William Brian Fox, summa cum laude. Matthew Thomas Franciscovich, magna cum laude. Savannah Rose Franklin. Donald G. Friedel. Aaliyah Garcia. Rodolfo Garcia. Gavin Matthew Guard, summa cum laude. Tristan Allen Gibson. Frida Matazli Gonzalez. Fabian Gradilla. Kenneth Brandon Grafe. Yeah. Robert Connor Grafe. Nathaniel James Graham. Elizabeth Gutierrez Torres. Blake C. Haas, cum laude. Lexi Rayanne Hager. Jared S. Hall. Tyler J. Halsey. Zachary J. Harris. Noah Harshbarger.
Let's go! Let's go!
Alec Robert Hayes. Catherine Susan Hayes, magna cum laude. Brooke Hazelwood, magna cum laude. Erin Margaret Henkel. Fabian J. Herrera. Alexander Michael Hausiel. Emma Catherine Johans. Jemiah Andrea Johnson. Trevor Jacob Jones. Selma Karastanovich. Reese McKenna Kavanaugh. Seth T. King. Jasmine Marie Knowles. Jack Thomas Cohn. Alyssa Konesny. Emily Rose Kruger, cum laude. Cynthia S. Ladner, summa cum laude. Jacob Kurt Landry. Gunnar Stephen Leaf. Carter Troy Lewis, cum laude. Leslie Linares. Chloe Little, cum laude. Sarah Noel Loeffler. Alec Peyton Lyle. Ashlyn Rose Maher, summa cum laude. Riley Mann. Kieran John Marshall, summa cum laude. Brenda Matias Cruz, cum laude. Tegan Ann McKenna. Ryan J. McCurdy, magna cum laude. Kyle G. McLaughlin, cum laude. Sydney Page McVeigh. Hannah Lynn McVeigh. Kirsten Francis Menke, cum laude. Allison Morgan Myers. Alyssa Catherine Miner. Abier Dorothy Kamei Miner. Prabharaman Mohan. Kylie Jess Monroe. Arturo A. Monroy. Griffin Allen Morrill. Michael J. Mueller. Jada Lynn Muldrew. Seamus Patrick Murphy. Gabrielle Lee Nance. Madison Irene Nelson, cum laude. Bailey Ann Olson. Justin Emmanuel Opum. Alexis Opal, cum laude. Courtney Louise Ort, magna cum laude. Francisco Jose Pabon Cruz. Jinson Alexander Padilla. Miranda Paskey, magna cum laude. Mitchell Perez. Jordan Leanne Peterson. Austin Simon Fow, magna cum laude. Bryson Alexander Pillow. Morgan Pizer Krantz, magna cum laude. Grant Powers. Taylor Proberts, cum laude. Rebecca J. Quick. Karina Rochelle Ramos, cum laude. Trenton Lee Rampley. Emily Elizabeth Ryan, magna cum laude. Haley Ann Rennick. Holly Elise Rayner, magna cum laude. Amari Richardson. Caitlin B. Richter, cum laude. Lucas Patrick Riley. Brett Conrad Rissman. Renee Nicole Rude, summa cum laude. Connor W. Schmall, cum laude. Molly Schoen, magna cum laude. Nathan Paul Schroeder, cum laude. Clayton M. Schulenberg. Jalen Scott. Leah Nicole Sieben. Shane Michael Sendera. Joseph B. Shanklin Jr. Cheyenne Ruby Sheehan. Joseph Edward Shy, magna cum laude. Brandon Lee Skravonsky. Shane E. Smith, cum laude. Jonathan Michael Roy M. Spence. Bianca Grace Stavrakakis. Julia C. Sturr, summa cum laude. Robert P. Story. Kyla Suter, cum laude. Marco Joseph Tawadros. Matthew Charles Temener. Abigail Elizabeth Teskey. Drew L. Thaxton. Nicholas A. Thomas, cum laude. Allison May Rose Tratine, cum laude. Abby Kristen Tucker. Zachary H. Vansel, cum laude. Austin J. Vanichin. Aubrey Bernard Vaughn III. Josie K. Welker, cum laude. Chandler B. White. Colton Dean Wilhart, magna cum laude. Darius Jamal Williams. Nathan Paul Williams, cum laude. Stephanie Elaine Williams, cum laude. Ajeta Wilson Bahoon. Thomas Donald Whitty, cum laude. Kristen Warner. Isaiah P. Wright. Mandy Shu. Manuel Zavala Suarez. Rodalyn Chorley.
Let me ask all of our new graduates to close your eyes for just a moment. I'd like you to think back across your years at Monmouth. Think back to your first day on campus. Think about the best of your many best days. Think about that hardest day and how you made it through. Think about those people who will be your friends for life. Think about that person you had to work hardest to like. Think about your toughest defeat. Think about your greatest triumph. Think about those people who had the greatest impact on you. Think about those people whose lives you have made a little better. Be sure to come back to campus. Come back often, because no matter where you go, this will always be home. We are proud of you. We love you. And from Lobie and me, we wish that you will keep the spirit of this day and these days forever, that you will be forever young.
May God bless and keep you always. May your wishes all come true. May you always do for others and let others do for you. May you build a ladder to the stars. Climb on every road. May you stay.
I'm glad to see that you're all a step ahead of me. I have a script that says you're not supposed to do that yet. Clearly, yet again, you have gone off script in your college career. Congratulations. Well done. So we're going to do one more drone shot. The unfortunate thing is that with the drone up high, I can't actually tell where the drone is because it's the tall thing. We're ready to go. I'm assuming we're ready to go. Okay, so here's the thing though. The streamers, you got to hold on to the loose end. If you don't hold on to the loose end, you're just throwing a wad of streamer. So the last bit of instructions from your college career are hold on to the loose end and then throw it up high. Okay, so everybody stand up. We're gonna go on my 3 once I get the thumbs up from the back. Steve, where are you? You got a thumbs up, you got a thumbs up. All right, ready? We're gonna throw on 3. 1, 2, 3, let them fly! Thank you, and congratulations to the class of 2021.
Up there.